Reoon Email Verifier, the most accurate email validation service that cleans invalid, temporary, and unsafe email addresses. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to dive into an amazing tool that can transform your email marketing campaigns and ensure your emails are reaching the right audience. Introducing the Reoon Email Verifier, the most accurate email validation service that cleans invalid, temporary, and unsafe email addresses. Why choose Reoon Email Verifier? Verifying email addresses in bulk has never been this simple. With Reoon Email Verifier, you can clean up your email lists within minutes. Our unique email validation system provides results with more than 99% accuracy. Let's explore some of the incredible features that make this tool stand out. Key features: validate email addresses in bulk without sending any emails. Clean up your email lists with great accuracy. Verify emails from Gmail, Yahoo, Microsoft, and other domains. Stop wasting money on temporary or disposable addresses. Reduce the bounce rate of your email campaigns. Protect the sender reputation of your domain and server. Verify users' email live during their registration in just 0.5 seconds. How it works. Using Reoon Email Verifier is incredibly easy and convenient. Here are 2 ways you can verify your email addresses. Direct submission. Simply copy-paste your list of email addresses into the web application. Reoon Email Verifier will verify each address one by one within minutes. After the verification, you'll receive a full report and can download the results in a CSV or Excel file. File upload. You can also upload your CSV file directly to our web app. The file will be validated automatically, keeping the original columns and rows unchanged, with new columns added for all the necessary verification details. Verification modes. Reoon Email Verifier offers 2 modes for verification. Quick mode. The quick mode can verify an email within 0.5 seconds, making it ideal for verifying the email addresses of your customers during their registration without keeping them waiting. Power mode. On the other hand, the Power mode provides an in-depth analysis of an email address. Note that API implementation requires technical knowledge of programming. The API can also be used with third-party integration services like Zapier or Pabbly Connect, and some other apps may natively support direct API integration. WordPress plugin. If you are using a WordPress site with supported forms, the Reoon Email Verifier plugin can verify email addresses during form submission and protect your site from invalid or temporary emails. Please contact our support to check if your website is using a supported WordPress form and get access to the WordPress plugin for your site. Get access today. Ready to clean up your email lists and enhance your email campaigns? Get access to Reoon Email Verifier today. We have a special offer on AppSumo Select with an incredible one-time payment lifetime deal. Pricing plans. Here are the available plans. Plan 1, $79, $480.50. Plan 2, $158.37. Plan 3, $237, original price $255.50. Plan 4, 316 pricing $674. All plans come with a 60-day refund policy and the We Got Your Back guarantee. Conclusion. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to enhance your email marketing efforts with Reoon Email Verifier. Click the link in the description to get started. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more great content.